400 रुपए 300 रुपए के सारे हम आके ले लो, आके ले लो. Good evening, guys. Today's vlog is going to be under the lights. It's quite late now. It's somewhere around 8:30. We were quite busy in the morning. We had some work to do. So
What work? Hello. Look at me. Partially geared up in shorts. Just for today's video. So you know what the video is about to be, right? What were we busy with?
I was busy. I went out to work. I went out. I had some official work. I mean, official work. क्या यार? I went out on work. Completed that, and I went to my friend's place, Edwin. He basically, his mom cooked some chicken for me. Thank you, auntie. Auntie blush. I had that after like 60 days. I'm super duper happy, super duper satisfied. I'm not sure I'm going to have my dinner. I'm tummy full है. So now let's it's quite late, but let's get on with the vlog.
Chala बहुत सुत्ती मारा इसने. आज important topic है again. We are going to continue about the care. And sorry, there's been a long gap between the previous video and this.
Oh, I want to see about the previous video.
But it's going to be more regular, and we are making sure as the lockdown is coming to an end, we're going to get more stuff. We're going to make better vlogs, and a lot more content will be coming in the future for you guys.
Come back here, I want to say something. Oh yeah, I'm so sorry I got carried away in the last video. After getting my triple, or after riding the bike on the road after so long, I got carried away basically, and that is not the way to ride your bike inside the city or anywhere on the highway. So please don't do that. I'm so sorry. I'm not going to repeat it again. Like Rohit said, today's vlog is going to be addressing some important issue. We're going to talk about riding jacket and the importance of it, and what all levels of protection are there on a riding jacket.
Catch this, it's hot. I'll remove this. I can't. Guys, so as we continue, we will show you what are the different type of riding jackets we've been using, and a few which are available in the market, and the kind of protection which each of them offer. So we both of us currently are using mesh jackets, primarily because Indian conditions are hot like throughout the year almost, yeah, barring if you go to the extreme north. So
Karuna.
Social distancing.
Jao. Yeah, I've seen some people saying that why is Srujan wearing hoodies in each and every vlog. That's because I don't like to wear. I'm a hoodie person. I like wearing hoodies. I mean, summer है, I know that. थोड़ा AC भी चल रहा, but you know, I'm just wearing a sleeveless inside. यार कौन block करेगा sleeveless के साथ? So that is the reason why I just pulled off a hoodie. I didn't.
Charan, again pointing at you. Your video wasn't sleeveless. Charan, Igru crazy.
It's very easy to pull off a hoodie. At least for me, that's what I think. So let's directly.
You know, you're gonna watch this. You're gonna kill this guy. And be happy then.
Let's directly dive inside the video and check out inside the video.
Guys, today we're going to show you 4 jackets which we are actually 2 of these jackets are being currently used, and the 2 others were our previous jackets. And mind you, none of these brands know we exist. They're not sponsoring us in any which way. We are a very small YouTube channel, guys, so we don't get anything of that sort. Yeah, so lads sab dekho kaisa baitha hai. So let's dive into it, and let's talk about the first jacket, and it's the one which I was wearing earlier.
This particular jacket, this was actually Rohit's first jackets. He purchased this, and luckily both of us are of the same size, and I took this same jacket to Ladakh. Rohit, yeah, that's it. After Ladakh we probably changed our jackets. Yeah, this jacket is,
Again, this is,
like I said, this is a basic jacket, and what I mean regarding that is, whatever protection this jacket provides is level 1 protection, level 1 armor. It's called CE level 1 protection. It's generally a jacket which you purchase will be somewhere around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees. The protection which you get is this is the rear pad protection. This is the rear what is this called? Rear
back protector.
Back protector. So you get a back protector, you get shoulder protectors, and you get elbow protectors, and that's about it. And rest of the material is like a mesh jacket, easy airflow, and this jacket is not a waterproof or weatherproof jacket.
So all these, again, I was talking earlier regarding the kind of jackets we generally tend to ride in. Both of us currently are using only mesh jackets, and the reason for that is India being a hot country, most of the seasons or every season in India, if you ride, it is going to get hot inside the jacket, and the only jacket I would recommend anybody using is a mesh jacket. You can make these waterproof because most of them come with liners which you can purchase, or else you can purchase an external liner which can make it waterproof, and also you can put a wind shutter on over it to prevent any wind chill. So make sure you buy a mesh jacket in our conditions. Again, coming to the next one.
So
Again,
this jacket is by Rhinox, and this, like I said, the earlier jacket was level 1, CE level 1 protector, and in this jacket, this is little higher end model, and all the protectors which you see in this jacket are CE level 2, and if you go a little a notch higher, you also get a chest protector with a higher
model. The difference between this and the one my earlier model is that this is all level 2 armor.
level 2 armor.
The material is the same, it's got a chest. It's got a provision for a chest protector. Did we have to purchase it separately?
We got
it is part of it. Okay.
But we got the level 1 chest protector. You get level 2 chest protector as well.
Okay, you need to purchase the level 2 separately. So the chest protector which is in this is level 1.
Yes.
Okay.
But rest everything is level 2. And this is my go-to jacket. I've been using this jacket for more than 2.5 years, and I
Other than the color fading, again, that's because of the mud and all. This, mind you, this has been washed, but you know, it's the dirt and grime of a motorcyclist. The color just changes over time. So we'll show you the difference between a level 1 and a level 2 armor now.
So these are the back protectors. This is the thickness difference.
So this is a level 1, this is a level 2. And again, these are quite flexible, as you can see. But
So yeah, they're quite flexible, but you can hit them and nothing will happen to you.
Yeah,
they take the impact. They absorb the impact.
So again,
I'm not sure to hit the same way on the level 1 jacket, but on the level 2, nothing happens.
so again, it becomes hard as soon as there is an impact on it.
The earlier 2 jackets which you have seen are basically Indian brands. So Indian brands provide these protectors. But if you go to a foreign brand, for example, Rohit's go-to jacket, it's a bit expensive. It's called Dainese.
Dainese is the brand. It's a murdered out black jacket again.
So
again,
it looks cool though.
Yeah, it looks super cool.
So
just a second, before going further into it, again, as you can see, even this is a mesh jacket. And see, this is the mesh. This material, what you see, is the Cordura, which allows a lot of abrasion, which is present on the other jackets as well. And the difference with my jacket is it is part leather. So all these areas which are impact areas are basically leather. On this particular jacket, it is a 1mm thickness leather. And the reason why they have used leather on this jacket is, no matter, Cordura is good, but it is not as good as leather. So in case of a fall, again, it is important to slide to take away the impact. So if you fall and stop in the same location, the impact, it will be much higher than in case of a slide. So in case of a fall, it is better to slide. So make sure you slide, and these kind of leather, part Cordura material again is better than Srijan's simple mesh Cordura jacket. It's been doing amazing. The quality is good, but it's expensive.
So like if you have the budget, and don't get me wrong, even this jacket has CE level 2 armor, same as in my Rhinox. So this jacket, I purchased it somewhere around 11,500 rupees, and this Rohit's jacket with all the armor, and for your kind information, armor on a foreign brand, for example like Dainese, Alpine Stars, you have to purchase them separately. They are not included inside the jacket.
So actually, I'll just tell you, the armor which is provided on the shoulder and your arms or your elbows, these are provided. Your back protector and your chest protector have to be purchased separately on these brands.
So altogether, you're paying somewhere around 35,000 rupees for such Dainese jackets. If you have the budget, if you don't mind spending so much, and if you want this brand, well and good, you can go for this. But if you're okay, if your budget is a bit tight and you're okay with the brands, you can just wear a jacket and you can just rock it, because it just gives you the basic protection whatever this jacket provides. You can just go for the Rhinox thing, which is somewhere around 11 to 12,000. No harm in it, but again, it all depends on your personal taste.
And yeah, guys, before we continue to the next jacket, I would like to actually show you another very important safety feature which is there in both the Rhinox. It is not there in my previous jacket, but it is there in these two. So you see these pucks. So these are aluminum skid plates. So again, they help you in sliding and they prevent any damage impact for you on the shoulders. So again, remember, sliding is good. So if you see any MotoGP racers, you see, in case unfortunately they have a fall, they slide, as in they, the more they slide, the less the impact, in simple terms. So I'll just show you the back protector on my Dainese jacket. It's a little different in design. And before we continue to the last, so again, it is above CE level 2 is what they claim. It is kind of a I won't say transparent, but it is ventilated in such a way, so it provides ample protection. I have a similar protector for my chest as well in this jacket.
By the way, I don't know, I can only say this in Telugu, but the way we are sitting and talking, we are like, Amma, cheeran 450 rupees, 250 rupees, 400 rupees, 300 rupees ke sari, Amma, aake le lo. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get trolled.
If you have a brother like this fellow, it is stupid, it is dumb, it is stupid, this fellow.
There is one more armor above the CE level 2 protectors, which is called as a D3O armor, and for a jacket with completely kitted out with D3O armor will be somewhere around 50,000 rupees. If you have the budget,
that is minimum 50,000, well upwards of 50,000.
Upwards of 50,000. If you have the budget and you don't mind, so just blindly go for the D3O armor.
Again, guys, remember, it is the more money you spend, the better quality you're gonna get. But there is something called as a budget constraint for everybody. Don't overspend on anything. Let it be motorcycles, let it be gear. Have a fixed budget in your mind, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 20 lakhs, whatever it may be. But dedicate at least 10 to 20% of, if it's a more costly motorcycle, maybe 10%, but if it's a cheaper motorcycle, about 20% of the total cost for your safety. Because again, I keep saying this like a song in almost every episode when we talk about any safety equipment, but it is that important. So we will show you one more jacket before we end this video.
This is the fourth jacket which we have. We never use this jacket
Anymore.
We never use this jacket. This was a mistake, but it was a mistake purchasing this jacket, because first thing, it's a completely leather jacket
And it is heavy.
And this is a racing jacket. You have this
Nice
300 movie ka hump, and yeah.
Yeah, the protection and all is there.
Everything is excellent, but it's a heavy jacket. It's not useful. It's not that ventilated.
It is heavy, as in you won't believe it. Just in terms, this one jacket with protection weighs more than the other 3 jackets combined. So that is how heavy this jacket is, and it is you cannot ride in our conditions, at least in the south of India. Bhul hi jao yaar. It is literally unbearable. Maybe that I see loads of people when we go for rides with these kind of jackets, but not for touring. Definitely not for touring. Agreed.
Yeah. If you're on a racetrack, that's completely a different issue. But on touring, no way. Not this jacket. Better go for leather mesh jackets, and better go for CE level 2 of protection. For CE level 2, the budget starts somewhere around 10,000 rupees, and it shoots up all the way to
30,000 rupees, depending upon the brands. Wear the perfect jacket and ride hard, guys. Peace.
Next video will be something very different, and I hope you like it. And please like, share, subscribe, and all the sham. Till next time. See you guys.